Sup guys? Today I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Well, I'm just ready for like karate now. So yeah, shout out to all the people out that's karate. My random watch is on the floor. From first, I was so excited to be seeing it and like wear it all the time. Now it's just like stranded on the floor down there. Hey guys, watch this. So weird. I shouldn't be messing around with the camera. I have a random shelf up there that like full of the stuffies. Okay, so next Friday I'll be doing Duffy Adventures. I have forgot about that so much. I am sorry, guys. Yeah. Also, I shouldn't treat this book like heck, cause this book is like one of the best books there is. I'll get like a better view. Yeah, that's like one of the best books there ever is. Swag. From first, my YouTube channel has evolved from like usernames like so quickly. First, it was Gaming Master. Then it was Pika Gamer 09. Then it was Nova Gamer 09. Then it was Nova Plays 1635. And then now it's me. Like Nova Plays. Well, not Nova Plays, but Team Nova. I don't know when I can get to Switch. That keeps saying switched recently. Guys, help me out with that stuff. I really don't know sometimes. Really don't know. Oh, also, for doing this, I'm probably set this as my wallpaper. No, I'm gonna set that painting on Animal Jam as my wallpaper. So yeah, my thing, it's like really cool. Guys, I really don't know what to do right now. I have a MooTube shirt over here. You can see it like MooTube. I'm gonna go down. What do I have? My shirts. Oh! Guys, I'm going downstairs. I'm legit like holding my phone / holding my belt / holding closed my thing. Bye. I forget what it's called. I haven't doing like karate in a couple months. So, because I broke my leg and everything. Oh my gosh. The cutest moment of gigs. Yeah. Cutest moment of gigs. Yeah.
Take off socks.